porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on.
Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Y'all, today we are going to get our laundry done. Go ahead, get your laundry sorted and start a load while we're going through this video. We have been sick in my home, and so I did not do laundry for over a week. I had so much laundry. Oh my gosh, you guys. But we're going to tackle it one load at a time. Let's get started.
Room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beachy sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. It's a good life, sitting on the front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beachy sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah.
I wanted to share that today's video is part of a reoccurring laundry motivation that is co-hosted by my two good friends, Charmaine from Charmaine Rosalie and Becky from Stay at Home Mom Life with Becky. If you guys are looking for mom life, cleaning content, decluttering, laundry motivation, pantry clean outs, refrigerator clean outs, you name it, these ladies have it on their channel. So be sure to go over and check them out. In addition, there's a playlist in my description box. You guys, if you have a ton of laundry to do like I did, make sure that you put that playlist on, check out all of the wonderful creators, and just blast through your laundry together with us.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. I When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody.
All right, I'm here checking in, guys. How's your laundry coming along? For me, this is an extreme laundry situation. I never have this much laundry, y'all. So this is extreme laundry motivation for you today. I can tell you that my husband works outside, so in the winter I do have more laundry than in the summer just because he has to wear layers, etc. But usually I do laundry once a week and it's like 3 loads maybe. Unless I do like sheets and stuff and blankets and stuff. But I was like, I am so sick of folding laundry and I'm only halfway done. But keep going, guys. We're going to get this done today.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
guys are new to Melinda's Homemaking Life, I would just want to tell you a little bit about myself. My husband and I are empty nesters. We have one son who is 24 years old, and he is out of the home, making a great life for himself, working full time. I'm so proud of Tyler. All right, sorry, I'm just kind of babbling here. Where I was going with this whole conversation is that my husband and I do lots of chores and different things together. We have a partnership now that we're not taking care of Tyler or sitting in gyms watching basketball all weekend. We both still work, and so we typically share responsibilities. I can tell you that the tasks outside are definitely more weighted on my husband's side. I am not cutting no grass, y'all. It is way too hot out there, even on the riding lawnmower. Plus, there's bugs.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
As a reminder, don't forget to check out the playlist and Charmaine and Becky's channel that is listed in my description box.
I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
All right, guys, how exciting. This is my last load of laundry. Y'all, I have been doing laundry for 2 days, but this is it. This is the last load. I appreciate y'all so much hanging out with me while I get all this done today and supporting my channel the way that you do. We are growing, y'all. We're up to 125 subscribers at the time that I recorded this video. So thank you so much for being here, for helping me stay motivated, and just know how much I appreciate you. Also, most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see y'all in the next one.